SPTV I.
What's going on? My name's Ben. Today we're gonna make some emotes.
Freelance graphic design.
Wink. Alright, so last episode we made this fucking gorgeous illustration for Lumpy Meat's stream, Twitch stream. I'll leave a link to his Twitch down below. Yeah, super Doom inspired as per his request. And today we're gonna make some emotes. We're gonna make 5 emotes for Lumpy Meat. Emotes, they typically have like a word or phrase in them. So we gotta make one for rage, one for D-bag. TAD, that's a lot of damage. Hype, and BFG, big fucking gun. I think BFG and TAD are both from Doom, so we're gonna do his Doom head. And then the rest will just be his face and different facial expressions. And I might throw one extra one in there that's like the lump of meat, and it just says meat on it. So yeah, we're gonna have to make these in Illustrator because they become super tiny, only about 100 by 100 pixels. So you gotta make them in Illustrator. You gotta do super simplified, bold, thick lines so you can actually read what's going on. That's where this cartoony style actually gets an advantage because it's super simple design. So let's get going. Let's make some emotes. All right, we finished all of the emotes. Pretty happy with it. I actually got to reuse a lot of assets, so it did make it go a bit quicker than I had planned. So we ended up with 6 instead of 5 because I couldn't think of a good one for D-bag. I couldn't think of a good one to do that. So I thought it might be cool because I wanted to throw in an extra one for him anyways, of just the lump of meat that said Lumpy. It could be like one of those follow trains, you know, where they have the engine and then the box cars, and it's like Hype Train, I think it's called. But instead of that, you could do Lumpy and then Meat. So you'd have just the character on Meat, and then the lump of meat could be Lumpy. And then they look really good next to each other because it would be Lumpy Meat. And the type, we're still going with clobbering time. I like it because it's thick. It looks almost comic booky, which kind of fits the aesthetic of this character. And I think it'll be easily legible at any size. And we just went with the red and yellow Lumpy Meat color palette. And then that's a lot of damage and big fucking gun. I just redrew Lumpy Meat in the mask, which I also think it looks really good, huge. Let me pull it up on here. Yeah, I mean the face is in the way now a bit. I think it looks really good big, and I think it could make a good like sticker or t-shirt or something. So yeah, I only had to redraw a few facial expressions the majority of the time. I was drawing the Doom helmet as well. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So we're gonna get these sent out to him. You can go see all these emotes in action if you go over to Lumpy Meat's Twitch channel. And that should be it for him right now. We'll probably get some more work down the line. He was talking about a bunch of other stuff we wanted. But thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about these. If you need any freelance work, my website and email is in the description, or just leave a comment. Do whatever you want. We'll see you in the next one.